Hello and welcome. So in this video, we're unboxing a custom controller from Xbox Design Lab. It's obviously for Xbox. You've probably figured out by this point. And so yeah, let's just open it, I guess. Alright. Okay, moment of truth. Yes, it's just what I ordered. That looks pretty sick. First of all, the feel has like okay, this is like really nice. I can feel the textured grip here. Everything's like brand new. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this is a huge improvement from my old controller. Let's see, interior, yeah, also blue. So yeah, this is what I chose. It also comes with batteries and some paper, whatever. Not gonna need that. I know how these things work. Maybe. Okay. So yeah, pretty nice out of the box, I'd say. Better than this one. Yeah. Yeah, but like 200%. But yeah. So that was the unboxing. Now I'm gonna do some random stupid cinematic thing, angles, whatever.
Bruh.